Carrots are one of the most popular and healthiest vegetables in the world. But here's the question, is drinking carrot juice better than eating whole carrots? Let's explore both and see which one your body benefits from the most. Number 1. Boosts eye health. Carrot juice is a powerful source of beta-carotene, a plant pigment that your body turns into vitamin A. This nutrient helps maintain sharp vision, especially in low light. It also prevents conditions like night blindness and age-related vision problems. Whole carrots give you the same benefit, but when you juice them, the nutrients become more concentrated and are absorbed faster by your body. So if you need a quick boost for your eyes, a glass of fresh carrot juice is a great choice. Number 2. Strengthens immunity. Your immune system needs vitamins and antioxidants to stay strong, and carrot juice delivers exactly that. It's rich in vitamin C, potassium, and powerful antioxidants that fight off free radicals and protect your cells from damage. Whole carrots also strengthen immunity, but juice gives you a faster dose, especially when you drink it fresh on an empty stomach. Number 3. Gives you glowing, healthy skin. Carrot juice is like a natural beauty drink. The vitamin A and antioxidants in it help your skin repair itself, reduce acne, and give you that healthy, natural glow. It even helps delay early signs of aging. Eating whole carrots works too, but the juice gets the nutrients into your bloodstream quicker, helping your skin look fresher and brighter. Number 4. Supports heart health. Both carrot juice and whole carrots help lower bad cholesterol levels and keep your heart strong. The potassium in carrots helps control blood pressure and improve circulation. But here's the key difference, whole carrots are high in fiber, which helps reduce cholesterol and control blood sugar over time. So if you're focusing on long-term heart health, whole carrots take the lead here. Number 5. Aids digestion and gut health. Whole carrots are loaded with dietary fiber, which is essential for good digestion. It keeps your gut clean, prevents constipation, and helps maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Carrot juice, on the other hand, loses most of this fiber during juicing. So for digestive health, whole carrots clearly win. Number 6. Acts as a natural detox. Carrot juice is an excellent detox drink. It flushes out toxins from your liver, cleanses your bloodstream, and keeps your body hydrated. It's especially refreshing in hot weather or after workouts. Add a little lemon or ginger to your carrot juice for an extra cleansing effect. Number 7. Improves brain and energy levels. Carrots contain nutrients that improve brain function and boost energy. Carrot juice gives you a quick shot of natural sugars and antioxidants, perfect for mornings or pre-workout energy. Whole carrots release energy more slowly because of their fiber, keeping you fuller for longer.